Introducing Supercloth, the world-famous household cleaning cloth that's about to revolutionize the way you clean. Are you tired of using chemicals and disposable paper towels that not only harm the environment but also burn a hole in your pocket? Well, your cleaning routine is about to get a whole lot easier, cheaper, and eco-friendly with Supercloth. Supercloth isn't just your average cleaning cloth. It's powered by Italian fabric technology that's designed to do more than just wipe. When dampened with warm water, it becomes a cleaning powerhouse. From windows to electronics, fine wood furniture to stainless steel, granite to chrome, car interiors to fixtures. Supercloth cleanses them all, leaving behind a streak-free shine, and it does it all without any need for harmful chemicals. But what makes Supercloth truly remarkable is its durability. While some of our customers have been using the same Supercloth for over a decade, even just 1 year of use can save you up to $70 in paper towels. That's value you can't ignore, and check this out. Supercloth comes in an oversized design, measuring a generous 17 by 13 inches. Combine this size with our patented bonded Italian fabric, and you get something that's simply better than any ordinary towel or cloth out there. Plain and simple, Supercloth is the most efficient cleaning towel available. It's no wonder why it's been trusted by thousands of households nationwide. In fact, Supercloth has been seen and sold on TV for years. It's a staple in homes across the country, and today, you can bring this cleaning revolution right into your own home. And the best part? Supercloth comes in a pack of 5, so you'll have one for every cleaning need. Cleaning Supercloth is a breeze too. Just toss it in the washing machine. It's that simple. So whether you're tackling your windows, dusting your electronics, or giving your car's interior that showroom shine, Supercloth has got you covered. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have made the switch to Supercloth and experience the joy of eco-friendly, effective, and economical cleaning. Don't miss out on this cleaning revolution. Get your Supercloth today and see the difference for yourself. Link in comment box. Supercloth, the world-famous cleaning cloth that's making life cleaner, greener, and more efficient for everyone. Get yours now